in downtown Phillipsburg, and today's special is this beauty at 150 South Main Street. 64-seat diner, restaurant, very cute dining room. Right in the heart of town. We've got a fully, well, not fully, but mostly equipped kitchen with a nice big hood. Dishwasher. Looks like maybe a convection oven there. The Delaware River themed train rides take off right there. Got some parking back here. Walk-in fridge and basement for some extra storage. And 2 renovated spacious apartments upstairs for an additional over $3,000 a month extra income. This is offered for $425,000. What will the next lucky restaurant be?